Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. After replacing the steam wand assembly, this is the old one. With this one, it was like leaking. Whatever doing any functions, it's like leaking from everywhere. And after that I figured out like the water pump is weak, struggling while it works, then replace it. Then we did a tune up and replaced the brew unit. So let's hit down, test it, make an espresso shot on it. This is awesome. I calibrated from here for a little bit water and more coffee. So it gives really great shot with crema. So let's go ahead and test the steamer. This is great. Thank you for watching.